Hi guys, this is
guys.
Natalie, Brianna, and Ashley, and today we're going to be doing a toy review on Pokemon and Minecraft. I think it's just Pokemon though. So, go ahead girls.
This was a banned toy from Burger King. I'm not sure if they came back, but still, these are pretty cool. It's Cubone. Hope you guys... We might do a giveaway, maybe. And
Maybe.
we have Sylveon, which is my favorite Pokemon. It's the best Pokemon ever.
We have Yveltal.
So what else do we have? We have this Pokeball. And we also have this. We have...
This is my favorite.
This is
Mew,
Mew.
so cute.
It's so cute. We're not giving it
Adorable.
away. It's adorable. And then we have Scraggy. We should really put music in our videos. You can actually. You can like with.
And then we have,
we got. We have Landorus in land form. And we have Go-Go.
Is that it, girls? Or
Oh, you
something?
forgot to share your own.
Pikachu,
We have
Pikachu.
And I'm saving the best for last.
Pikachu.
As you know, it's a electric type Pokemon.
and he's overrated actually, but I don't really care. I still like him.
And we have one final thing that's not Pokemon related, but I want to show it. Rapa-da-da! We have the Ender Dragon.
Dun dun dun.
From Minecraft.
Okay, that thing actually costed $60.
Yes, it was
Okay,
for
guys.
my birthday.
Does anybody want to sing? No?
For sure.
Okay. Ready? Set in 5, 6, 7, go. It's more of like a beat, but okay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.